For years, the technology industry has tried to convince consumers that compromise is simply part of the experience. Tablets have traditionally been trapped behind restrictive mobile-first software ecosystems that limit productivity, while two-in-one laptops have often promised versatility but delivered frustrating compromises in return. Many of these hybrid devices suffer from excessive weight, underwhelming battery life, thermal inefficiencies, and awkward form factors that make neither tablet nor laptop use feel entirely satisfying. Professionals, creators, and power users have long found themselves caught in an uncomfortable middle ground, waiting for a machine powerful enough to handle demanding workloads without sacrificing portability or elegance. That wait, however, may finally be approaching its conclusion. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is shaping up to be far more than a routine hardware refresh. Early reports and industry leaks suggest Samsung is preparing an aggressive push into premium productivity territory, with a device engineered not merely to compete with laptops, but to challenge the very reason they exist. This appears to be a calculated move, designed to dominate the high-end tablet market and redefine what users expect from portable computing. The conversation surrounding the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra begins with its physical construction, and this is where Samsung reportedly plans one of its most meaningful shifts. According to supply chain insights, the company may abandon its long-standing aluminum chassis in favor of a Grade 5 titanium alloy body. While this change may sound cosmetic on the surface, its engineering implications are significant. Titanium offers an exceptional balance between durability and weight reduction, allowing Samsung to create a larger device without making it cumbersome for everyday handling. A tablet approaching 15 inches in display size requires substantial structural integrity to prevent flexing and long-term durability concerns. Titanium dramatically increases torsional rigidity, helping the device withstand the physical demands of travel, daily handling, and intensive use. At the same time, it can reduce overall weight, improving comfort during prolonged sessions of note-taking, digital illustration, or content consumption. The result could be a premium, monolithic design language that feels exceptionally refined while reducing the fatigue often associated with large-screen tablets. Equally transformative is Samsung's reported decision to eliminate the display notch entirely. For professional users working in visual environments such as video editing, animation, photography, or illustration, screen interruptions are often viewed as frustrating compromises that break concentration and reduce usable canvas space. Samsung is expected to integrate advanced under-display camera technology into the Tab S12 Ultra, allowing the front-facing camera system to effectively disappear beneath the screen during standard operation. Through improvements in light transmittance and artificial intelligence-assisted image processing, the hidden camera could maintain respectable quality without visually disrupting the display. This would create a true edge-to-edge experience, offering users a seamless visual workspace where immersion remains uninterrupted and productivity takes center stage. The display itself may become one of the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra's defining strengths. Reports suggest Samsung will introduce a next-generation Tandem OLED panel, a display technology that layers two organic light-emitting systems together to achieve superior brightness, efficiency, and durability. For professionals, this advancement carries substantial practical value. Tandem OLED technology dramatically improves display lifespan and reduces the risk of image retention or burn-in, particularly important for workflows involving static interfaces such as coding software, spreadsheets, design timelines, or financial dashboards. Additionally, the display is expected to achieve significantly higher sustained brightness levels without aggressive thermal throttling. Combined with Samsung's likely inclusion of advanced anti-reflective coatings, this would make outdoor use far more practical while preserving excellent color accuracy. Whether reviewing architectural plans in direct sunlight, editing high-resolution media, or managing demanding multitasking workflows indoors, the display could remain consistently sharp, vibrant, and dependable. However, premium displays mean little without powerful internals to support them, and this is where Samsung appears ready to elevate the Tab S12 Ultra into legitimate workstation territory. The tablet is rumored to feature Qualcomm's next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, optimized specifically for the additional cooling capacity afforded by a larger tablet chassis. Unlike smartphones, larger tablets provide increased thermal headroom, allowing processors to maintain higher sustained performance without throttling under heavy workloads. More importantly, reports indicate Samsung could offer configurations with up to 24 GB of LPDDR5X memory, a staggering amount for a tablet, and even more than many premium Ultrabooks currently ship with. Such memory capacity would dramatically expand multitasking capabilities, enabling professionals to manage complex workflows involving 4K or even 8K video editing, local artificial intelligence processing, advanced creative applications, and extensive browser or productivity sessions simultaneously. The ability to keep demanding applications active without system slowdowns could fundamentally shift perceptions of what Android tablets are capable of. Software, however, remains the true battlefield, and Samsung appears fully aware of this reality. Hardware alone cannot replace a laptop unless the operating system evolves to support advanced productivity needs. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to launch with Samsung's heavily refined version of Android layered with a significantly upgraded One UI experience. Most notably, DeX, Samsung's desktop environment, may receive one of its most ambitious overhauls to date. Rather than functioning as a basic desktop simulation, DeX could become a genuinely sophisticated productivity environment with improved multitasking, advanced window snapping, deeper file management systems, and enhanced support for professional software workflows. Artificial intelligence integration is also expected to play a larger role, potentially helping automate repetitive tasks, organize digital workspaces, and adapt system behavior to individual usage patterns. Instead of merely imitating desktop computing, Samsung may finally be building something capable of standing beside it. The accessories ecosystem will likely play a major role in supporting this transition. Samsung is rumored to be redesigning its premium keyboard cover with a rigid aluminum frame, improved key travel, and a significantly larger glass trackpad complete with precision haptic feedback. These refinements would dramatically improve typing comfort and navigation responsiveness, helping the device feel more like a premium Ultrabook than a detachable accessory setup. Meanwhile, the next-generation S Pen may introduce near-zero latency alongside a sophisticated internal haptic engine that simulates the texture and resistance of traditional drawing tools. Artists could potentially feel differences between pencil, marker, or brush strokes in subtle but meaningful ways, bridging the gap between digital creation and physical artistry. Combined with an advanced battery system optimized for heavy workloads and fast charging, the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra may emerge not simply as another premium tablet, but as an ambitious vision for the future of portable professional computing. vidIQ.